Hello friends, in this video I will discuss about the change in question pattern for CBSE class 11th and 12th mathematics. We all know that CBSE has changed the question paper pattern for our subject mathematics this year, and from this year the total question paper will be divided into two parts. The total question paper will be divided into two parts, part A and part B. The question paper will be of 80 marks. We know from last year this system was introduced. 80 marks theory plus 20 marks practical, and total is 100 marks. So out of this 80 mark, now for part A 24 marks will be allotted, and for part B 56 marks will be allotted. Now each of the part is divided into some sections. Part A will contain the objective type of questions, and part B will contain the descriptive or subjective type of questions. Okay. Now part A is divided into two sections, section 1 and section 2. Part B will be divided into three sections, section 3, section 4 and section 5. Okay. Now section 1 will contain 16 1 mark type questions, 16 1 mark type questions. For section 2, two questions will come on case study method. Okay, two case studies will be given to you, and for each case study, 5 MCQ types questions will be given to you, and out of that 5 MCQ type questions, student have to attempt 4 questions. Okay, that means section 1 will contain 16 marks and section 2 will contain 8 marks, and this 16 plus 8 will be 24 marks. Section 1 will contain 16 1 mark type questions, very short answer types, and section 2 will contain 2 case study questions. Each case study question will contain 5 MCQ type questions, and out of that 5, students have to attend 4. That means for 2 case study the total mark will be 8. Now for subjective type means part B, this section 3 means it will contain 2 marks type questions. Section 4 will contain 3 marks types questions, and section 5 will contain 5 marks type questions. Okay. Now the whole question paper will contain 10 questions of 2 marks types and 7 questions of 3 marks types and 3 questions of 5 marks types. That means the total question paper will now contain 1 mark question 16, 2 case study 8 marks, for each question 4 marks, so total you will get 8 marks here. 2 marks questions 10, which will be of 20 marks. 3 marks questions will be 7 questions will be there, the total mark will be 21, and 5 marks questions will be 3, total will be 15. And if we will add this, you will get 80 marks. From this year, the question paper pattern will be like this. So, specially we have to focus on case study type questions. And in my next video, I will discuss some case study type questions chapter wise. Hope you got the idea about the question paper. Thank you.